Yes.
Welcome to Mickey's bathroom. Let me paint a picture. First off, this is my beloved elephant lighter, Rolly. Rolly's been out of lighter fluid for a while, which makes me sad because there's a few things better than a flaming elephant. Now, what's not in here is butane. There's a very good reason for this. After 4 or 5 failed attempts to fill Rolly with lighter fluid, right now I'm positively soaked with lighter fluid. This shirt, basically a sponge of lighter fluid. Tyler's not in here because Tyler also failed to fill Rolly and is covered in lighter fluid.
Pretty much.
But we think we've got him going. We think it's good to go. He's still a little moist, but we should be good. And ladies and gentlemen, don't let me down now, Rolly. There's cameras running. Look at all the people. Oh, son of a... Wait, a little bit of flame, a little bit. We're good. Hold on. It's camera shy. It's okay. You can't go when you're looking. And take 2. Okay, give me the butane. People's houses. First thing we have to do is remove the elephant butt plug and fill it with delicious, delicious lighter fluid. Okay. Again, highly not safe. And this thing's halfway empty, by the way, if that says anything.
This is why I'm not in there. I learned my lesson the first time.
See, Tyler is not a daredevil. Okay.
Oh, I love fire.
Butane.
I just don't like fire on me.
Lots of butane. Squishy, 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 squishy.
It's leaking out the front part.
Okay, that's a good sign. That means
no, it's not. Remember the last time you did that?
We are good to... No!
Did you drop the butt plug?
The butt plug is actually in 2 pieces now. I'm not sure how this goes back in. I've never operated one of these things before.
Let me see the butt plug.
Hold on.
Did you break the butt plug?
I think we're good. I think it's game on. Okay. Hope it's game on.
Mickey broke the butt plug.
This is gonna end horribly fast. That went in way too easy.
That's what she said.
Also zing.
Alright, ladies and gents. Mild burning sensation from butane.
That's probably not a good thing.
Okay, so we have the sink.
Do you want somebody whose hand is not covered in lighter fluid to light that?
I don't know, Tyler. You're too afraid to come in here. Pansy wussy pansy man. Okay, so my lighter fluid cleaned hand, as you can see.
Bullshit.
Here we go, ladies and gents. Hope I don't die. That was pretty safe.
Turn him up.
This is horrible. Where's my raging inferno when I... Ah! No.
Failure.
Defeated. Small gouts. Nothing running. I'm not even on fire. This is...
That's depressing. As you try to light yourself.
Obviously, can't even set myself on fire. I'm sorry, Jackie. My apologies.
I met her in the club down in no time.
Yeah. It's gonna end horribly. I blew it out! That should not be possible!
Get a little bit closer.
Alright.
It smells wonderful out here. Let me see. Give me the fire.
I have magic, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, wrong way.
My eyes! That was Tyler.
That was me. I win. Now, Mickey.
Magic trick.
Watch this, Mickey. It takes flammable shit
It blows fire
and blows
out.
fire out with it. What the? Okay.
Is duct tape flammable? This is our question.
No.
No. No.
It
just
just melts.
Kind of like Mickie, not flammable.
Well, kinda.
Hey, we did it.
Ow!
Yes, let's touch the hot melted tape.
It's funny because pieces of this are falling, and I don't want to put my hand under it to light it more. Oh, is it gonna fall? I don't know, but it's growing.
Okay, wooden floor. Excellent, Tyler. I'm the only one who's allowed to light this place on fire. Even though certain...
Where you drink champagne and it tastes just like cherry cola. C-O-L-A cola. She walked up to me and she asked me to dance. I asked her her name and in a dark brown voice she said